Today we're putting Starlink, HughesNet, Viasat, and EarthLink head-to-head to see which satellite internet option makes the most sense for your needs. We'll cover speeds, pricing, latency, and data limits so you can make an informed choice. Starlink. Powered by SpaceX's low Earth orbit satellites, Starlink delivers download speeds up to 220 megabits per second with latency between 25 and 60 milliseconds. It costs around $120 a month, plus a one-time equipment fee of $349. There are no contracts and data is unlimited. The low latency makes it great for gaming, streaming, and video calls. HughesNet, one of the longest-running satellite internet providers. Plans start at about $40 per month, with speeds between 25 and 100 megabits per second. It uses geostationary satellites, so latency is high at 600 to 800 milliseconds. Data allowances range from 100 to 200 gigabytes per month, and going over will slow your speeds. Viasat offers speeds up to 150 megabits per second with its unlimited plans, priced between $99 and $150 monthly. Like HughesNet, it uses high-orbit satellites with around 600 milliseconds of latency. Data is soft-capped, meaning you can use 60 to 150 gigabytes at full speed before throttling kicks in. EarthLink provides both satellite and wireless home internet. Satellite speeds reach up to 25 megabits per second, while wireless can hit up to 100 megabits per second. Pricing starts at about $64.95 per month. The wireless option offers lower latency thanks to cellular towers, making it more stable for rural users when coverage is available. Final thoughts. Starlink is the top choice for speed and low latency, ideal for real-time activities. HughesNet is best for budget-conscious users with lighter needs. Viasat works for moderate users who want more speed but can handle throttling. EarthLink's wireless plans are great for rural reliability if you have coverage.